Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a haul video. On Thursday I went to Scrapbook Central and I was looking for something specific, a couple of things specific. I was looking for, it's a wax, and I didn't find out till last night that it's made by Artworks Alchemy. Because what I want to do is I want to steampunk this box. It's a gift for my grandson's graduation from high school next month. Anyhow, I really need to start on this really fast. But anyhow, like soon, like tomorrow, I'm gonna have to start working on this. But anyhow, I was also looking for like some wood pieces or some chipboard pieces, like gears and cogs, and whatever else they would have. But anyhow, I did pick up, they didn't have that either, but a little disappointing, but I did pick up some things that I'm going to show you that I'm not necessarily going to use on this on the box now, but for future use. Like, okay, so I got these keys with wings. Now these I'm not going to use on the box, but like I said, I got this is for future use, and this is made by Creative Essence. It's chipboard wing keys, it's called. There you go, you can see better without a glare. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there's 6 of them on there. I got those. Okay, I'll put that away after. I also got from by Dusty Attic, their the chipboard wings. I'll take them out and show you, it'll be better. Now, I'm just going to back it with something here. There you go. Now, I also have wings that I have that are wood, that are die cut wood wings. I'm not sure what I'm going to use these ones or what I have, but anyhow, these will be good for future use also. Let me bring you in a little bit more. There you go. So, hope you can see those. Those are beautiful. Yeah. I got those. Let me see. Now this is Tim Holtz. This is the Halloween metal pieces. Now the reason why I got this was I could use, I don't know if you can see this, but I could use, there's 2 of these, so I'm going to use this on the corners at the top of the box. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see the detail on that, but anyhow, I'm going to be using that on the top of the box. I got also by Tim Holtz is the faucet knobs. These are, I'm not sure if I'm going to use one of these. Also got Tim Holtz, their metal wings. I'll take one out of the package to show you. They come in 3 different sizes. I don't know if you can't see the detail on that. There's a lot of detail on there. And I got a distress ink pad in a brushed corduroy, and I got the re-inker also in the brushed corduroy. This is distress ink. whenever I go there, I'll pick up a distressing pad and a distresser or two when I go, so slowly getting all the colors. Anyhow, so I got this. This is the art alchemy metal. This is the wax, but they didn't have it, like I said, in the steampunk copper, which I wish they had. This one is rich copper. Okay, I took it out of the package before, but I'm going to show you. I will take it out and I'll show you the color. These have a very strong scent to them. It's like it's a wax. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful color. That's so awesome. And I also got it in the white gold. I think I'm going to ask them if they can maybe order this, the steampunk copper for me. There you go, that's the white gold. And what I did was, because I was disappointed that there were some things that I really wanted to get that they didn't carry. On Friday I went to Michael's. Oh boy. They have this week, no, just until Monday. Sorry, I bumped my camera. Until until Monday, they have 2 coupons off for 40%. Let's see. So I got a few things. Okay, let's put the bag on the floor. I got paper, cardstock in white, package of cardstock. That was $6, and then cream. This is also $6. Just take you out a little bit. There you go. I got that. I got Tim Holtz Small Talk. I got the ink blenders, which I don't have any of this. I'm so happy I picked that up. I got Unbleached Titanium by Artist Loft. I got, let's see, a couple more things of Aleene's Tacky Glue. Okay, these I found these. They're so celebrated. They're archival transparent bags. Now, I bought these for ATCs. They did the smallest. This is the smallest that they have. They're 3 by 4 inches. Anyhow, so it's a little bigger than an ATC, but I figured that'd be okay. I got some jump rings. Package jump rings. These are really good ones. They're made really good strong metal. So if you have anything heavy, and I got a calligraphy. There you go. It's a pen. It's I wanted one of these. It's got 3 different nibs. Anyhow, I wanted a dip pen, so that's why I got that. It's not an expensive one, but it's just, you know. I got, okay, so I caved on this. Oh boy. I bought the Rust Effect paste. there. And yeah, it's from Art Extra Alchemy. Anyhow, this original price was like around $23, and with the coupon, 40% off, got it for like 12 something. So I'm happy about that, because that I will be using. Scrapbook Central didn't have any more, so I couldn't get it there. I got from Deco Art. This is it's a matte finish varnish. I got then I found, and I'm so happy I found this. It's by Golden. Anyhow, it was reduced. Okay, the price was reduced on this. It was like $25 for this, 8 ounces, and it was reduced down to 9 something. So that was pretty good. I'm so happy I got that. I've been wanting that for a long time. Yeah, and last but not least, I got Deco Art. This is black. Can never have enough black or white. I also got Deco Art, the metallic, dazzling metallic in zinc. You see that? And I got Craft Smart. I got in the metallic, I got deep bronze, and also in the all-purpose surface, the multi-surface, I got also deep bronze. And see the difference between the two of them. This is the metallic, dazzling metallic, and this is just the multi-purpose. Anyhow, so that's it. That's my my big spending spree. Anyhow, thank you so much for stopping by. Please leave a comment on this video. Tell me what you think. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please, please, please subscribe to my channel and ring the little and hit that little bell beside the subscribe button there, so you can get you'll receive notifications when I upload a video. And give me a big, big thumbs up, and share. Please share my videos. Anyhow, thanks a lot, and I'll see you again. And bye for now. Ciao.